what would you say, outside of a few of the things you touched on in your last response, is like the number one or number two thing where, you know, you're speaking with customers and they're like, this is what we envision 6 months from now with this solution?
Primarily, it's tied to an improvement of a company's self-service program. That's really the overarching goal that we see across the board. And to deliver great self-service and allow customers to get answers to questions themselves, you need to have a good foundation of knowledge. We really try and meet companies that we work with where they are or where their customers contact them. And that's why our self-service experiences can be deployed in product through a more traditional chat experience as a replacement of the help center search bar on top of your knowledge base, or directly inside of case submission flows, et cetera. But at the end of the day, companies are generally attributing the value of this directly to self-service. And that's where it's really valuable to pair our two experiences together. Because if you're using our self-service experience, you can then clearly attribute which articles are being surfaced in answers and which of those were generated through Mosaic versus not. And then over time, be able to use products like our support intelligence to really clearly see that your trends within your cases start to change. So as we identify a gap in these topics, we then write knowledge. We should then see that fewer cases get created about those topics over time. So that's number one. The other is in this agent assist use case, where because of the technical complexity of the support that our customers deliver, we're never going to get to a point of 80, 90% containment, deflection, however you want to call it. This isn't a B2C use case. The 80-20 rule is kind of flipped, right? What it does is it allows support reps to move much faster with kind of verified information. At our core, we are going to give the support rep the answer to the question by finding information that's scattered across Ticket, Jira, Confluence, et cetera. But even better is if all of that has already been wrapped up and defined and approved into this like verified knowledge, which we can, from our AI models, assign more weight to in the answer. So those are the two use cases at the end of the day. It's all about helping customers self-serve, which is obviously going to drive great CSAT, but most importantly, it should allow customers to get answers to questions immediately and reduce the number of inquiries. And then it will help support reps actually manage cases that do come to them faster.